Imagine a future where every song you listen to is a world premiere, a unique composition created just for you in that moment. Could this be the future of music? Welcome to a journey into the realm of possibilities where artificial intelligence is changing the face of music as we know it. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been making waves in the music industry for a while now. It's been composing songs, generating lyrics, and even producing complete albums. But what if the future of music isn't just AI-assisted but AI-generated? As we delve into the world of AI-generated music, we start to see a fascinating yet somewhat eerie picture. Picture this. You're in your car or at home, and you ask your personal AI to create a song for you. You specify the genre, the mood, and within moments, you're listening to a song that has never existed before. But what does this mean for artists and the music industry? The implications are profound and multifaceted. On one hand, AI-generated music could democratize the process of music creation. It could make music more accessible, allowing anyone, regardless of their musical ability, to create and enjoy their own unique compositions. It could also foster a new era of musical diversity, as AI is not confined by the same creative limitations as humans. On the other hand, it raises questions about the value we place on human creativity. Will musicians become obsolete? Will the art of music composition lose its value when a machine can churn out a bespoke song at the drop of a hat? Interestingly, the future of music may not be about the music itself, but rather the experience it provides. With AI-generated music, every song could be a fleeting, transient experience. A song that only exists for the duration that it's playing, then is lost to time, superseded by the next song. The beauty of the music could lie in its impermanence, in its ability to create a unique momentary experience. So, what are the key points to take away from this exploration? First, AI is already making significant inroads into the music industry, with the potential to radically transform it. Second, AI-generated music could democratize music creation and foster a new era of musical diversity. But it also raises important questions about the value of human creativity in the music industry. Lastly, the future of music may lie not in the music itself, but in the unique transient experiences it provides. The future of music is a fascinating, complex landscape that is still unfolding. It's a future where every song is a world premiere, a future where music exists only in memory, a world where AI is the composer, the performer, and the producer. It's a future that's closer than we might think, and it's a journey we're all on together as we navigate the uncharted waters of AI-generated music. As we continue this exploration into the world of AI-generated music, let's pause for a moment and consider the intersection of AI and human creativity. Many of us wonder, does AI replace or enhance human creativity? Interestingly, Jonathan Scott, in his book Echoes of Code and Consciousness, The Inner World of AI Self-Reflection, delves deep into these questions, examining the symbiotic relationship between AI and human creativity. Scott paints a vivid picture of how AI can become a tool for amplifying human creativity rather than replacing it. He explores how AI, with its ability to learn and self-reflect, can offer unique insights into our own consciousness and creative processes. It's a fascinating read for anyone interested in the evolution of AI and its implications on music and art. Be sure to check out Jonathan Scott's book linked in the description below. As we journey together into the future of AI-generated music, it's essential to understand these perspectives and consider the profound ways in which AI is changing our creative landscape.